Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? So our subject today is English from Unit 9, Lesson 4. We're going to learn about tallest, longest, heaviest from your learner's book, page 124 to 125. Are you with your learner's book? Okay, if you don't have, please take your learner's book, put them on the table, and let's learn together. Our lesson objective, we are going to compare and contrast animals and containers. You're going to read about animals and containers. You're going to write about animals, write about an experiment. And our language focus today, we are going to focus on comparatives and superlative sequencing. These are our vocabulary words. You're going to find it from our learner's book. I want you to take your notebook, write them in your notebook. So, our language focus today is about comparative and superlative adjectives. Do you know the meaning of comparatives? We had already done this one in the class. I know now you had already forgotten, but I'm going to remind you. Once I remind you one, you'll be able to remember everything. So let's find the meaning of comparative and superlative. Comparatives. What is comparatives? They say comparative are used to show the difference between two objects. Let's say that I have two cars. I have a little Toyota and a big Ford. A comparative is used to show the difference between the two. The Ford is big, so we can say the Ford is bigger than the Toyota because the Toyota is small. We can say the Toyota is smaller than the Ford. Okay? Comparatives are used to show the difference between two objects. Let's see the meaning of superlative. Superlative. Superlative are used to show the difference between more than two objects. Let's say that I have three cars. I have a little Toyota, a medium-sized Jeep, and a big Ford. A superlative is used to show the differences that exist in the group. The Ford is big, so we can say the Ford is the biggest. Because the Toyota is small, we can say Toyota is the smallest. Are we together? Right, now let's look at this one. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. So we have this, the first adjective is hot. Comparative adjective is hotter. And superlative adjective is hottest. Right? Adjective here is tall. So how is it going to be in comparatives? It will be taller. And superlative, it will be tallest. Now check this one. Adjective small. At comparative, it will be smaller, and superlative, it will be smallest. Long, comparative will be longer, and superlative, it will be longest. Big, bigger, biggest. Comparative adjective bigger, superlative adjective biggest. So, good. What is it going to be? The comparative adjective. Gooder, goodest. Oh, no, 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 no. There's no English like that. There's no English like that. Here it will be what? Better. Okay? Keep it in your mind. And superlative, it will be best. All right? So good, better, best. Let's learn together. Open your learner's book on page 124. We are going to do everything together. Just pay attention and follow instructions. So from our video part 2, you'll be able to understand the meaning of tallest, longest,